How to choose the input fraction for a report. To choose the correct input fraction for a report, you should first agree with the RepTool administrator which input fraction you should choose. Background for this is that the RepTool administrator may sum up reports from different treatment operators for an annual report or similar. The first 5 entries are the V collection and treatment categories most V systems use in Europe. You may follow the hierarchical structure under the choice for the input fractions. For all input fractions where there is a subgrouping foreseen, you will see an error icon. If you are not sure which input fraction to choose, use the 3-dot button beside the input fraction to open a list with input fractions and remarks to explain them. You may enter a part of the term you are looking for into the fields for the name of the input fraction or into remarks. For example, we look for large household appliances. Press the search button and you will come to a list of possible input fractions meeting this criteria. Please read the remarks carefully. In case, follow crosslinks given and check entries if they are more appropriate. In general, you will more often choose from the options in the upper area of the list like CC1, CC2 or CC2A. Entries for individual V categories shown with the underline 1, 2, 3 are more applicable for special batches on these V categories. By clicking the underlined name for the input fraction, you take it over to your report. You may download the list of input fractions from the download sector of your RepTool installation.